Yes, yes. No, boss. No, no. It took me a while to find the place. I'm here in the daytime, yeah. I'm not coming at night time. Have you seen this place? It's scary enough in the day. And I keep hearing things. I don't know, just things. Let me get this done, and then I'm gonna get back to the office. I don't want to be in this place any longer than I need. You ready? You ready? Okay, great. Gotta go, gotta go. Doing a piece very shortly. Yeah, don't worry. Hello and welcome to Two Rock Wood. To most, an unassuming piece of woodland, but to many locals, a place of mystery and intrigue. Why? Because for some reason, people are hearing strange noises. This isn't just a recent phenomenon. This has been going on for many years. Some will say 150 years. And what kind of noises do we hear? Well, to some it sounds like stringed instruments playing in the darkness. To others, just howls, screams, growls. I do know that later on tonight, a brave party of curious individuals will be venturing into this very wood to see if they can experience the very same thing. Good luck to them, because this place, to be honest, makes my skin crawl just a little bit. What was that? Anyway, thank you very much. Christian Payne, BBC. Back to the studio. I'm glad that's over and done with. You see my pen? I had it in my hand. I dropped it. It's not in the car, is it? Just keep on packing. I want to get out of here as soon as possible.